My name is Arwin Jugamohan. I am from South Africa. I'm seeking problems for spinal and cervical injuries and so forth. And I actually came to Delhi, especially to Delhi, and I was recommended there. And it was the BLK Hospital, and that's where I landed up. And the service they gave me, and they sent me for my x-rays and all that, all was done in one day. And the surgeon itself, I'm not shy to actually say his name, Dr. Puneet Girdhar, and he actually said, you know, Mr. Jugamohan, we can do the op for you the next day, you don't have to worry. You've done it because what I've seen at this hospital, at the BLK, they've got the technology unlike any other country. And I feel that anybody, for that matter, that really suffers from injuries should try and contact BLK because they know what they're doing. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.